Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Hi, my name is Trishit. I am from AOT, second year, computer science, and I am
Okay.
in the tech team.
Okay, cool. Nice to meet you, Trishit. It's lovely to have you on the team. Next, we have Devaditto. Tell me about yourself, Devaditto.
Hello everyone, I am Devaditya. I am from second year CSBS from Academy of Technology, and alongside I am also the campus representative or campus ambassador of Geeks for Geeks at our college. And I am in the tech team right now, and I hope I will be working with a lot of enthusiasm with all of you. So that's it.
Great. It's really great to have enthusiastic guys like you. And Naimun, and as we know, he's from Bangladesh actually. So he's the only one who is actually representing different countries. So yep, I want to hear about it. Naimun, uh, are you there? Okay, maybe he has some microphone issues or something like that. Uh, okay, let's proceed to Pratik. Pratik, you there, right? Yep, I can see you.
Yeah, hello, I am Pratik. I am pursuing BSc second year from Ashutosh College under Calcutta University, and I want to be a Go developer and want to be a DevOps engineer, and will be
Okay.
contributing to tech team in this organization.
Great. Like we all
Thanks.
know that we have a common mindset that we only have tech people from BTech, but like Pratik is a live example in front of us that BSc students can also go deep inside tech, and the cloud native stuffs are not really available on the internet for everyone, right? It's available, but like people don't really like stretch their arms to reach that position. So congrats to Pratik. He is here, and thanks for being a part of this team. And next we will move to Devobroto. Devobroto, can you just share your experience and tell me about yourself?
Hi, first of all, sorry I can't open my video because
Not an
I.
issue. Not an issue.
So, my name is Devabrata Pal and I'm currently in my third year. I'm a CSE student from Dr. Sudhir Chaudhary Institute of Technology and Sports Complex. I know it sounds so long, but uh, anyways, beside that, I'm a DevOps engineer and I'm currently cloud lead of my college's GDSC.
Great to meet you, Devobroto. And actually, I met Devobroto in an hackathon, and from there we were connected regarding this cloud native stuff. And this is the power of networking, right? So welcome, Devobroto. Welcome to the team. And next we will move to Mehboob. Uh, please have your honors.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Hello.
Yeah, you are audible.
Hello, Mehboob this side. I am a sophomore from AOT, pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Business System, and I'm learning full stack development for now, and I have huge interest in cloud and DevOps stuff. That's why I bother Ronita sometimes. That's all about me.
Okay. Yep, the team is obliged to have you. And next, we will move to Navojit. Navojit, can you just turn on your microphone and say something about yourself?
Good evening, everyone. I am Navojit Bhaduri. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech from Academy of Technology. I am an Flutter developer. Currently, I am learning Flutter development. Um, yeah, it's very much cool to work you all guys. And special thanks to Ronita for bringing me over this and give me a chance for being with you. That's for me. Thank you.
Great to see you over here. So we will move to the next candidate. That is Shubhojyoti Das. You hear, right? You hear? Shubhojyoti?
Yes, I am here. Yes.
Okay. Just introduce about yourself there so that they know you. Yeah.
Yes. Good evening, everybody. I am Shubhajyoti Das from Academy of Technology, pursuing second year, and Perhaps I am maybe the only one from a non-CS background. I am actually an EC student, and I perhaps just want to get into tech. So I am just trying out the cloud network and the backend development of websites and AI. And I am going to be contributing to the AI tech team. So yes, that's that from my end. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Nice to meet you, Shubhajyoti. And the team is also very much happy to have you. And next, we will move to Rohan. Rohan Mitro, you there? Rohan?
Can you hear me?
Yep. Yeah. You are audible.
Good evening,
Loud
everyone.
and clear.
I'm Rohan Mitro, a student of CSC2 second year from Academy of Technology. I am joining the tech team and I'm currently learning Android development. It would be my pleasure working with you all. And thanks to Ronitda for letting me attend this session.
No, it's really great to have you. And you were obviously you all were very much eligible for this role. That's why you all are here. So, yep, it's all about yourself. It's nothing that I have given you this. You have taken this from me. So, yeah. Okay. Uh, after Rohan, we have Nimesh Kumar. Nimesh, you there? Yeah, you're audible, loud and clear.
First of all, sorry, the worst condition of my throat.
Oh, no issues, no issues.
I thought it was necessary.
If in fact if you have any issues with talking, you can just write it over the chat. There's not an issue. Okay, we can have a talk verbal later on. Okay, there's not an issue.
No, it's okay. Okay.
Okay, so very nice to have you, Nimesh. And next we will move to Devalgo.
Hello, everybody. So I'm Devargo from Academy of Technology, and I'm pursuing my second year. And Shubhajyoti, you are not alone. I am also from EC. So I have joined in the social media and marketing team for the CNCF community, and I'm hoping for contributing my best to the CNCF community. And rather than that, in my tech field, I'm just learning about backend development, and I want to go to blockchain development through what I mean after learning the backend. I want to go to blockchain development. That's all I have.
Great. Like you really aspire to become a blockchain developer after having that backend part ready for yourself, right?
Yeah.
So that's really great to hear from you. And next we have Gunjan Shaha over the list. So Gunjan, can you just turn on your mic and tell us about yourself?
So hello. So due to some reasons I cannot open camera. So sorry.
No issues, no issues.
Uh, So my name is Gunjan. I am from AOT, third year CSBS. So I have joined this community as an organizing committee, and I will contribute in designing team. So thanks to Ranit for this opportunity.
Okay. Very nice to meet you, Gunjan. The team is obliged to have you over here. We really hope that we will be working together for a longer run.
Yes,
Now
yes, yes.
we will be having Saswat Sinha. Saswat, can you just open up your mic and camera if possible? Yeah.
Hello everyone. I'm not currently able to open my camera, so is that okay?
Not an issue. Not an issue. There's a lot of
Okay,
noise from your background. If
yeah,
it's possible to move from there and talk about yourself, that would be better for us.
yeah. Actually, I'm sitting in front of a standing fan that's making all the noise.
Okay.
Okay,
No
you
issues. You can
wait.
continue.
You guys aren't having any problem listening to me, right?
You may continue. You may
Fairly,
continue. No
fairly.
issues.
Okay. So, hello
Yep.
everyone. I'm Shashwat Sena from Academy of Technology. Currently majoring in computer science and business system. I'm a student of third year. and I'll be contributing in this chapter as a member of the team. Thank you, Ram, for having me. That's all from my side.
Okay, okay. Nice to have you in the team, Shaswat. And next we will move to Sanyukta, if I am pronouncing it correct. Sanyukta, can you just open up your mic and say something about yourself?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Hello everyone, my name is Sayanta. I just started
A
my
bit,
third year.
your audio is a bit in a lower side. If possible, you can,
Okay,
you know,
okay. Am I
yeah,
audible now?
yeah, better, much better.
Okay, so I am Sanyukta and
Yeah,
just started with my third year. I am from Sister Nivedita University, pursuing BTech in computer science and engineering. So I like contributing towards communities and have been contributing in past as well. So I got to know about this community through Kiran, if you know her. So, and I'm here contributing towards the events management team. So that's all from my side.
okay, great to have you the team, Sanyukta. Hope we will
Thank
be
you.
having a great time working together. Fine. So next we have on the list is Shayani Banerjee. So Shayani, can you just open up your mic? Um, I don't think she can because I can see that camera is blocked by a permission issue. I don't know why Shayani's camera and microphone is blocked for technical reason. I don't know because I'm not very much equipped with this portal. This is the first time I am opening this, so don't kill me if I go wrong somewhere. Sanyukta, you can do one thing. You can just write about yourself over chat so that everyone knows you better. Right. So after that, we will move to Anushka Bhaumik. Anushka, can you just open up your mic and tell us about yourself?
Hello.
Hello, you are audible.
Hello everyone, I am Anushka Bhaumik. I am in second year from Academy of Technology pursuing BTech in CSBS. Thank you, first of all, thank you for having me here. I am learning full stack web development now and I am looking forward to contribute in the tech team.
Okay, that's really cool. Love to have you over on the team, and hopefully you have a great experience in learning your full stack development and contribute more. So yeah, and next we have Shitabjo Chatterjee. Shitabjo, you there?
Yeah, hi. Hi, Ronit. Hi, all.
Hello, hello.
Hello. So, I actually is currently working professional, having 4 years of experience. So, I mostly work into the cloud and now currently working as a DevOps engineer. And like, thanks for having me in this team. And I'm like really looking forward to contribute as much as possible.
Thanks for being a part of this team because like we have very few people who are actually in this field while working, right? You are in this field since 4 years or so.
Yep.
Then you will be able to share the learnings to us,
Hope so.
like to
Right.
us, to everyone, right? So everybody learns and creates a difference in the community. So it's really lovely to have you. And
Thank you.
next, thank you so much. And next we will have Monal Poddar who will be talking. So Monal, can you just say something about yourself?
I guess Mona has texted something
Oh, okay.
in the
Okay. Hello everybody, apologies for not being able to turn on my mic. Okay, I'll be your flag bearer, no issues. So, hello everybody, apologies for not being able to turn on my mic and camera. I'm stuck in rain and thus I couldn't do so. It's a pleasure to meet you all. I'm Monal Poddar, a third year undergraduate from System University, Kolkata, pursuing BTech CSE. and I'm joining the community as a member of social media team. And I'm very much excited to work with you all. So, like, really, we are like flattered to have you in the team. And as we all know about, if somebody knows about Hack for Bengal, that was organized by the the Sister Nivedita University's team. So a huge shout out to them and more part of their team as well. So congratulations for the grand success of that event, and also looking forward to work with you. And really, like, this is the dedication of yourself that you have texted within the rail. Um, it's really a great feeling to have people all over the Bengal, all over India, in fact outside India, so that, like, we create a difference in the community and we just push it somehow or the other. Nice. So Shani has also told something about herself. I'll be her flag bearer as well. So hello guys. Actually, I don't know what is the problem, but it's okay. I'm Shani Banerjee from SNU in second BBA Digital Marketing, and I also do web development. I like to contribute community. So here I am contributing myself in event management. Yeah, that's all. Okay, no issues. Thank you for being a part of this team, and hopefully we will see all of you in the coming days. So okay, maybe what I think is there's some issue with your browser. It's not giving you the permission to turn on your camera or microphone. So just, yeah, thank you for yeah. So with that being said, I think I have covered everyone. Is anyone left? If so, then just raise your hand or just unmute yourself and speak about yourself. I'm sorry if I missed someone. So yeah, and अटेंडेंस मैंने ले लिया, ठीक है, जस्ट किडिंग, मैंने कोई अटेंडेंस नहीं लिया, ये बस scribbles है, ठीक है. So okay, after everything, I think I should also introduce myself to the team. So if you guys don't know me, I'm Ronit Banerjee. I'm the lead of this chapter, Cloud Native Hooghly. So apart from that, I'm currently doing Google Summer of Codes under DBPD organization. And also, if you talk about cloud native stuffs, I'm into the Kubernetes SIG contributes comms volunteering, which is happening in North America. Like, have you heard about KubeCon? I think you all guys have. Not even, not all. So few of you have heard about KubeCon. So yeah, actually I'm volunteering there. But due to the, the US visa issues, it takes 400 days or something like that to issue a US visa, and yeah, I couldn't go there, but I'm working from home, contributing from home. So yeah, it's a good experience to volunteer in a massive event like KubeCon. And apart from that, last year I have been to Open Source Summit Europe 2022. I was a scholar. I was actually, fun fact is, I was the only under 20 or in the 0 to 19 slab to attend that event all over the world. So yeah, and apart from that, I also have a bootstrap startup. That's also very much relevant to cloud native and cloud computing. We call it projectx.cloud. And so what's happening over there is, tomorrow will be our 1 year of anniversary for that company. And yesterday we got a good news, that is, we got funded by Government of India, which is MEITI, stands for Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, through IIT Bombay. So I'll be there for agreement or stuff like paperwork. So, and also we are backed by IIM Bangalore and stuff. Okay, leave it. So that's all about myself, and looking forward to work with you all guys. And it's really, really, really lovely to have a community with so much like diverse environment. With that being said, किसी को कोई डाउट वगैरह कुछ अगर कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हो, ठीक है? Then we can proceed. No one. Okay, chats में कुछ है? Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Thank you guys. Love. Okay, so okay. So
Hello.
before starting, yeah. Anyone was trying to speak?
Yeah. It's me, Trishit.
Okay, yeah.
So I wanted to ask that in this community, what I have as a tech team member, what I have to do, what's the role of me in this community? Can you elaborate on that? What I am going to
Yeah,
work?
yeah. So basically, when you filled up the form, you allotted some role, right? You were allotted to some role.
Yeah. I am in the tech team.
Yeah, so officially that's the thing, but we are very inclusive about that. We don't really care that if someone has filled up the form for tech team, they can't work in events management or they can't work in volunteering. We are very flexible about that. That's not an issue. If you want to join some other team which you are not assigned to, you feel free to do that. Okay, that's not an issue. After all, it's about us. So we should be efficient, and that's it. Okay. um is there any WhatsApp group created for either? Yeah, we have it. um Hold on, I will just share the link before ending the session. Just let me know, okay? Like if I forget before leaving the session, we will just share it over the chat. Actually, you got it over email, I guess. I have sent an email with the WhatsApp group, also the Discord channel. So I think it's like residing in your inbox or the spam folder, maybe. So you can just check. How did you know about Hack for Bengal? Where you mentor? No, actually, I was a participant in it. So I was not a mentor. I had some good connections over there. Like they actually told me to participate if you wanna. So I went there and had an awesome experience. Yeah, I was a participant over there, not a mentor. Nothing. Okay. So yeah, we didn't win anything. I just like yeah, maybe someday in the next year, maybe. Okay. Like there what the thing happened is we actually went there for participation. We just enjoyed. We built some stuff. Some a random guy, I just don't remember the name. He just came over and told me to implement this feature, and I did it overnight. And like it was a lot of fun. Okay. Yep. Thanks for hosting us. So, yep. Now we will be working together in the team, and that will be very, very awesome. Like, yeah. So, with that being said, okay. So, you have any idea what is CNCF actually? Like, I wanna see the faces, or like I wanna see the confirmation if you really at all know about CNCF. There's not an issue if you don't know. It's very like likely to like not knowing stuff. Okay, there's not an issue. But still, if you don't know about CNCF, okay, I will just give a short introduction about it. So CNCF is like acronym of Cloud Native Computing Foundation. So why CNCF? How did it even emerge? Like out of blue, out of the sky, out of the air, thin air? Like how? Right. So when I'm explaining stuff, you can just counter me for with any question. I'll be happy to answer. So why CNCF and why it was established and how did it emerged and how it became popular. Okay, so see what happened was we had Linux Foundation. Have you heard about Linux Foundation? Linux Foundation is like one of the most funded organization which supports open source development. Okay, you open any open source magazine, you open any technical journal where there's mention about open source, you will find Linux Foundation definitely. Okay, like that's one of the. In fact, I would say that's the most funded and the most popular open source platform. So why I'm talking about Linux Foundation suddenly. So there's a catch. What happened is Google, you all know about Google, of course. So what happened was Google actually developed a tool. Okay, that tool is now named Kubernetes. Okay, this tool actually helps us developers to manage workloads and deploy applications which are being like in a efficient way. I will not go very technical with this. Okay, Kubernetes just helps us to automate few things so that we as developers or maintainers can be like chan ki saas le paye, theek hai? So yeah, and so why Kubernetes? So Google developed Kubernetes for this particular purpose. And actually, when Google was developing this, I would definitely recommend you guys to see the documentary. It's on YouTube, how Kubernetes was actually born. So what happened was, I will tell it in a nutshell that what happened is when Kubernetes was released, the development team of Google actually tried to make this, and like they started from zero and got to something, and now they are like, okay, this is a good thing, we can use it in Google. Within Google organization, we have a lot of tools that are actually specific to organization, right? Like many tools are there which are not really for public releases. They are being used within the organization. Kubernetes was initially something like that, not it was not used in production, of course, but it was in a testing environment. And suddenly they thought about, if we make it open source, then like people all over the world will be able to use it, and like it will be a great resource, or it will be a great tool to minimize cloud costs, to have it like to have all the infrastructure, have all the code in a much like optimized, in a much secure way. So I'm like speaking in layman terms, cause so that everyone can understand. I'm not going into technical details about Kubernetes and containerization and orchestration and stuff. So then what happened is, then Google thought about making it open source. But in the initial days, Google was not supporting open source because it wasn't an organization uh, who was actually nurturing open source. It was like, okay, I build stuff, I make it private, I sell it, I have it within myself, I don't share the code. So what Google did was, Google contacted Linux Foundation. Okay, Google told that, hey, I have this piece of software and I want to share this with the entire world so that everyone can use it and ताकि सभी को फायदा मिले, right? So क्या हुआ कि now Linux Foundation was, अरे बढ़िया चीज है ये तो फिर, okay fine. So what Linux Foundation did was, they told that we will not include it directly over Linux Foundation. Rather, let's create a separate community for this. So CNCF was born, and CNCF was initially just Kubernetes. And now, if you have a look into the CNCF landscape, you can search it over the internet. Not now, later on. CNCF landscape, you may search. So you will find the entire list of tools like this, periodic table. So it has no use right now. So like it really looks like a periodic table. That's why I took that reference out of nowhere. It was not planned. It was not scripted. I'm sorry, periodic table. You are not in right now. So yeah. So after that, what happened was CNCF was born, and we have that entire set of tools which are supporting this ecosystem, and we call it cloud native. Okay, this is the terminology we are working with in this community. Cloud native. What is cloud native? Cloud native is an ecosystem that was initially created by Kubernetes, and now we have separate set of tools which supports this project. एवरीबॉडी क्लियर है ना? एकदम स्प्राइट की तरह क्लियर होना चाहिए भाई.
Sprite है.
Yes,
बिल्कुल.
completely clear.
Okay. Okay.
Crystal
So,
clear.
okay, I can see Mayuk is attending a hackathon. He is right now in Aizer Kolani, Kolkata, it's
Yes,
said. So,
I'm in Iser Kolkata right now, so I'm trying to keep it a bit down.
yeah. It's great to see you joining from a hackathon. Okay. Everyone wish him all the best so that he can secure a position. So, yeah. So this is how Kubernetes was born and stuff, and this is how CNCF came into the picture, right? So I think that you got an idea about why CNCF, how CNCF, who CNCF. So okay, now I would really like to talk about the teams. Like I think someone talked about the team who is like in which team. So just hold on. I will just pull up a document. I have it over here. Just bear with me for a second. Mm, Lots of email IDs to handle. Forgot in which one it was. Okay, got it. By God's grace, I got it. Fine. Okay. So let's see. I'm going from top to bottom of this participant list, and I'll just tell you guys who belongs to which team officially. And of course, we are all looking forward to work with you with any team. Like any way you can contribute, it's always 100% welcome. So I will just call out the names and their teams, okay, so that you also can communicate with them in the latter part. So I have Aratrik Bantopadhyay in the list. He is in the events management team. Then we have Rohit Chakraborty. He is also in the events management team. We have Shubhajyoti, who is who is in the tech team. Rohit Mitro, who is in the tech team. Nilakshi Das, she is in design team. Shubranil Sheet, he is in volunteering team. Sanyukta Mishra, she is in volunteering team. Sorry, my bad. She is in events management team. Chaudhuri Mehboob Alam, he is in event management team. Naimul Islam, volunteering team. Nobojit Bhaduri, tech team. Oishik Das, event management team. Obrojit Ghosh, events management team. And he will also lead the PR because he was also the PR lead at Hack for Bengal. He has a ton of experience with dealing with sponsors and stuff. So yeah, Sanjeev Kumar Das, design team. Gunjan Shah, design team. Aditya Kundu, design team. Devorshi Chakraborty, tech team. Jamilur Rahman, he actually proposed that he work with volunteering team, events management team, and also for photography and camera team. So yeah, versatile people all over the world. Shani Banerjee, events management team. Devabrata Par, tech team. Arnab Chatterjee, tech team. Aditya Seth, tech team. Yeah, I would like to mention about Arnab Chatterjee. If you don't know him, he actually won 3 tracks. Have you ever heard about some guy who has literally conquered 3 tracks in a single hackathon? He did it. His team did it. So shout out to them. And Aditya Seth, tech team. Monal Poddar, social media and marketing. Shubhajit Maiti, he is in video and photography team. Kaustubh Chatterjee, volunteering team. Devaditya Shom, tech team. Pratik Kotal, PR and volunteering team. Anushka Bhaumik, tech team. Devargo Chakraborty, social media and marketing. Ishita Shaha, events management team. Ritam Majumdar, tech team. Devolina Das, tech team. Shomojit Shom, tech team. Rishit Bhaumik, tech team. Mayuk Hazari, tech team. Umesh Dikshit, design team. Nimesh Kumar, Events Management Team, Shayan Mukherjee, Events Management Team, Kiran Mishra, Social Media Team, Shitabjo Chatterjee, Tech Team, Saurabh Das, Tech Team, Vishak Niyogi, Tech Team. He was also a part of that team which I was talking about, the hackathon one. Irshit Mukherjee was also a part of it. He's also a tech team. Like, you see, we have like really experienced people in the tech team. So yeah, Raja Majumdar Tech Team. Raja is a CTF player. Have you ever heard about CTF? CTF is capture the flag. The Actually it's similar to competitive coding, but in terms of cybersecurity. So what happens is they have some goals or some code words or something cryptic over there. I don't have much idea about it, but I have seen him doing stuff. So currently he's in a team which ranks AIR 2, like All India rank 2. So great people. Shulokamal Das, he's in the tech team as well. He's also very experienced, and he is doing research internship in machine learning. Shoman Devnath, social media team, Saswat Sinha, tech team, and Shomojit Mondol, tech team. Shomojit is actually leading a community known as Resourceo community. I think many of you will know him. So he is also in this community, right? So I do think that you have a clear idea about who is doing what, and you also have an idea about people who are not in this meeting, so that you can communicate with them later. I do believe that there are few people who couldn't actually join the WhatsApp group for some reason. I will just drop that WhatsApp community link over here so that everybody can join. And also one thing, I will create a separate group for the community, like the core committee. Okay, like this will be a separate group which will not be included in that community. Okay, it will be a separate group only for us to manage this whole stuff regarding the events and stuff, so that it's not messed up, and those community links will be shared on a public basis so that everybody can join and learn stuff together. Okay, then this will not create any confusion. Okay, like I know like it's a really pain for you to handle so many groups. I'm sorry for that, but this is what it is. Okay, we really think that we should also communicate over Discord. Uh, but jo hai so hai, we are what we have to do stuff that way. Okay, hold on. I'll just drop the WhatsApp link and the Discord link both for you guys so that you can join. Cool. WhatsApp community link, Discord community. Here you where's the chat? Okay. Here you go. Are the links clickable? Just let me know. I don't know. These links are working, right? Just someone just
working.
confirm. Okay,
Working.
cool. Okay, fine. So like if someone is not in the WhatsApp group, we have separate group for all the teams, like the tech team, the events management team. We have everything sorted. We also have a chill and chit chat group where we have fun. Of course, we have a code of conduct to follow so that we can be respectful towards each other, and also have fun while learning. It's not always about being professional and yeah. nahi, theek hai. So and one more thing I would love to share, that is um, like meet your teammates who like you will work with them in the longer run. So DM them, email them, like have a video call, anything you want. Okay, just be respectful towards each other and communicate with your teammates. In fact, you can DM me, or you can drop some chat over the groups to talk to me. I'll be like obliged to help you all. And if in case I need any help from your side, I will also communicate with you guys. So yeah, and I do think that we are pretty much done. Is there any questions from your side? Let's have a Q&A, informal.
Actually, I have one.
You have one. Okay, go ahead.
So you're talking about some event that CNCF is gonna organize.
I was coming to that actually. So, okay, so let's burst the myth and what's reality. So, I would love to announce that we will be having an inauguration, which will be a physical one, of course. We will have a physical meet with every one of you, and I really hope that you all turn up. But the catch is we haven't got a venue till now. Okay, we are working on it. We'll be visiting some of the venues, some of the halls, so that we can fix a position where we can conduct this. Tentatively, we will have it. I will not disclose the exact date because that's not even known to like me. So what will I uh, expect is it will be around September 5th, after September 15th and before the end of that particular month. So let's see. It may go beyond that as well because we don't know what will be the case, what will be a scenario. We are also looking for sponsors. So if anyone is like connected to some company who can sponsor us, please drop a DM. It will be really helpful for us to conduct the event. So, and also it's not only exclusive to people who are just in the committee. We will have it for all. Anyone can join that particular event. Okay, we will drop an event like you got a mail, right? So that you could join this session. Everyone will get email. Everyone will be notified with a banner in that community page as well, so that people from all colleges, in fact, out of Bengal, within Bengal, out of India, who knows? So anyone can come and attend that. I'll be really happy to meet you all. I'm really excited to meet all of you guys in person because like I do feel like at certain cases we need that physical conversations so that we can connect better, right? Like it's a bit of one way. I know, like I'm going a bit boring for you guys, but just hold me, like just bear with me for some seconds. Okay, so technically we will have that inauguration, and we will be partnering with some companies who will be able to sponsor us. We are already in talks with some sponsors. I will not mention the names because we haven't really went with the agreement stuff. So yeah, and also there's a community I mentioned about Resourceo. They will be helping us with anything and everything. So contact Shomojit if you need any type of community assistance as well. He will be able to help you out. And if not, I'm there. Okay. I do believe that was pretty much it from my side. Uh, but I really hope that if anyone is interested to ask any question, it's not like it should be something related to cloud native or something which is very, very uh, constrained with this community. Okay, there's no constraint about any question. But yeah, before that, maybe I will be just turning off the recording. Thank you everyone for joining. Then we will be discussing about your stuff. Okay, I'm just stopping this recording. Okay.